Who have been diagnosed with severe or moderate COVID-19 oftentimes suffer from respiratory symptoms with low oxygen levels. In fact, in this third wave of COVID-19, hospitalizations surged as some patients battled respiratory issues. Doctors say physiotherapy in the management of these patients is critical.
You can use our inspirometers to help them to use some unit that you use to help breathe. It shows you a visual feedback as to the effort the patient is making. They can go in and do their pursed lip breathing, percussions. There are different ways that we teach them how to breathe to maximize oxygen uptake in the body. So it can be very physical, where you're actually touching the patient, stimulating the ribs to move so that they can expand their airways better.
And these physiotherapists have had success stories in saving many lives.
The patient crashed, basically. The monitors were showing that there wasn't any oxygen saturation going on. Respiration was down at a level where, if we don't do something right away, this person is going to die. And she just offered herself. She was there in the room, saw what was happening, asked the nurse, what can I do? And whatever they had asked of her, she went ahead and she did it. Their stats moved up from in the 40s to the 90s, where really that's where you want to keep it.
Ms. Mead gives tips on some exercise activities COVID-19 patients can do while recovering at home.
They can do like marching on the spot with arms moving. You can use light weights while you're doing it. You can do exercises in bed as well, which they would have been taught. Even though they would be up and about, it would still be beneficial just the same, because movement is key anyway. So any movement at all maximizes how strong you will be. It's better to do that than nothing at all.
Persons are also encouraged to do deep breathing exercises and monitor their oxygen saturation at home. With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.